Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and I'm so glad that you're here. This is a look that is inspired by a Bollywood actress named Deepika Padukone. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and I would love to know what you think. I will be describing the different products that I'm using as I'm using them, so please keep your captions on and your voice, your volume on, because you'll only see a portion of my face, but I will be describing what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm really glad that you're here and I hope that you stay to watch the entire video, and I will see you at the end. Makeup tutorial inspired by Deepika Padukone. I'm going to use this Lavender shade color corrector by Cosmic Colors to brighten up my under eye area. Now I'm going to use this concealer in the shade 4 by Cosmic Colors to prepare my under eye area. I'm going to use this shade Medium in LA Colors Contour Stick to contour my face. I do feel like this is not the right shade for me as it is a little bit orange, but they do have a large variety of shades. As you can see, it does blend very well and seamlessly. One thing I really do like about this stick is that it glides on smoothly and is very, very easy to apply. I also like that it is a thinner type stick so that you can really control where you are applying it. Now I'm also going to take LA Colors highlight stick and apply it to the areas that I want highlighted. I'm going to use Ioni liquid blush in the shade Warm Rose. This is a really pretty blush and they do have a few shades at Dollar Tree. As you can see, it blends really well and leaves me with a very nice flushed look. I'm going to take the white shade in the LA Colors MoonFlower palette and pat it all over my lids. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild shimmer pencil over top of the white from the LA Colors palette. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow stick from LA Colors in the shade Earthy Energy and underline my eyes with it, as well as use it over top of my lids as a shadow. I'm also going to blend it in with my fingers and apply more as I need a little bit more. The actual stick is more of a forest green than what it is appearing. The fact that I put a white shadow underneath is making it look a little bit lighter than it actually is. As you can see, it's blending very nicely. Just adding a little more as I see where I need it and then blending it out. It is buildable, as you can see. Now I'm going to use a Q-tip and just clean up the lash line a little. Here I'm using LA Colors Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Brown Black. I would normally use a deep black one, but they didn't have it. What I really love about this liquid eyeliner is that the brush is very, very fine. Using Ioni Black Eyeliner for my waterline. And Ioni Lengthening Mascara to prepare my eyelashes for the false lashes that I will be applying afterwards. I will be applying Ioni false eyelashes off camera. I don't do it on camera because it's a very messy business. The eyeshadow stick in Earthy Energy and just adding a little bit more to my underline. This Cosmic Colors High Glow Powder in the shade 2 is such a beautiful highlighter. It is actually one of my favorites and I reach for it often, even over some of the more expensive ones. It has a really high shine finish and just applies so beautifully. I just love it. They do have a couple of other shades in this highlighter as well as a bronzer. You can see how beautifully it highlights my cheeks. Pencil in the shade Warm Nude on my lips. This is an absolutely gorgeous shade and I actually have it in my purse to take with me everywhere. I'm going to use the gloss portion of this LA Colors Lip Duo in the shade Twinkle. I think it pairs really beautifully with the Ioni pencil. And now for a few final touches. So this is the final makeup look inspired by Deepika Padukone, and I hope that you like it. If you are still here and you made it through the whole video, thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you again, so please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I would also love to know what you think of this look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.